Hi guys, I figured out that they start like I got suspended because I got suspended because my dad canceled the membership and well they thought that we didn't pay for it, so they suspended me. And if you try typing in yeah, if you try typing in Frozen 37330, it won't work. So my new username is Monkey Dan. What is it? Yeah, yeah yeah. It's Dancing Monkey J. Wait, what? YouTube. I'm recording. So yeah. Um. As you see, now I'm looking for something for me to wear. Oh yeah, so I had to make a new username. Oh my god. I just said that I'm so stupid. Oh, look at that. Okay, I got it. Look at that. Yeah, I thought that was um, I don't know why, but I'm just starting to be. Oh yeah, I don't know why, but I'm starting to be scared of animals. Yeah. Got it! I will trade a fox or article. Aww. I'm not the raccoon. I'll trade it for this. I'm so sorry. I don't have anything else. Oh, come on. So rude. Why you got to be so rude? Well, okay, that's not my real singing voice. It's why you got to be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? No, that's not my real singing voice. What the heck just happened? What happened? Nobody cares about this stupid thing now. So sorry you guys have to watch this. I got to be so rude. Don't you know I'm human? Hey, I want to put that song on. It's stuck in my head. Oh no, this is what the heck? Music. Why? Why you got to be so rude? Okay, I'm so sorry. Let's get to the game. Okay, so where were we? Oh yeah, we were at the. Oh no, I have. Let's just go drink hot cocoa. Yeah, next time I videotape, which is tomorrow, I will show my face. Oh yeah, I want hot cocoa. Whoa, the heck? Why are those on sale? They're on sale. I can't believe it. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look it! Oh my god, that's so cute! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at that! Oh! Oh! No, no, no. Mama! Look at that! That's so cute! I'm buying it. I want to trade. I don't. I'm like, I want to trade, and then no. Oh, you guys. Oh, hey. You guys could see me? No. Can you? Just comment down below if you could see me. Baboon, 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 baboon. I'm a baboon, baboon, baboon. What the heck? What the stupid thing? Okay, I'll just step it. Wait, no, it's going away. Wait, no, come back. I want hot cocoa. Okay, well, I think this is. Well, yeah. This has to be it for today. And tomorrow, well, yeah. Shout outs down below what you think of my new Animal Jam. And I'll pick shout outs tomorrow. And any questions I'll be answered. Is today Tuesday? Mom, is today Tuesday? Is today Tuesday? Oh no, I'm sorry. It would be answered on Wednesday. If any questions will be answered on Wednesday. Only 10 in my favorite, not mean. So yeah, I just have to say bye. See ya.